Schmeekle Reserve, a 280-acre protected and restored natural sanctuary for wildlife in Stevens Point, Wisconsin. The ecological communities within the reserve are those native to central Wisconsin, and it's one of the very few places where both northern and southern species of wildlife live together. The select natural habitats of woodlands, wetlands, prairies, and sedge meadows represent the unique landscape of central Wisconsin. And the forest floor is a haven for squirrels and chipmunks. While both are in abundance, chipmunks can be harder to spot. Chances are you'll hear them rustling about the leaves on the ground and around the fallen trees long before you actually see them. The pileated woodpecker is the largest woodpecker in North America. This one here has just completed a rapid succession of drumming on the trunk of a hollow tree with its bill, either in an attempt to claim its territory or dig out a tasty ant dinner. Small fish find algae and weeds beneath the surface of Lake Jonas to be the perfect camouflage and place to hide from predators. If you're lucky, along with the plethora of fish, you may also see a painted turtle cruising the shoreline. Lake Jonas also supports an abundance of waterfowl, the most common of which being mallard ducks and Canadian geese. The mallard inhabits a wide range of habitat and climates, from Arctic tundra to subtropical regions. Being omnivores, the ducks are attracted to shallow areas of the lake and wetlands where they are able to get to the aquatic vegetation at the bottom and consume algae, plant matter, and insects on the surface. In the fall, they usually find pairs until the females lay eggs at the beginning of spring, at which point the male will venture off and join other males. Unlike the mallards, by 2 years old, the Canadian goose will have found the mate it will remain with for the rest of its life. When in water, Canadian geese will occasionally eat insects and small fish or the silt at the bottom near the shoreline, but they are primarily herbivores and find the grass on land to be the most appealing. White-tailed deer, such as this doe here, lazily graze alongside trails running through the forest and alongside marshes. Here the deer are more used to people than those outside the reserve, making it more difficult to scare them off and allowing the casual hiker a close view and a memorable experience at Schmeekle Reserve.